Hello everyone, this is Sai Sri and welcome to my channel. In this video, let us solve exercise 1C, first Roman and the second Roman 7 problems. In that, the first Roman first one, find the equation of the tangent. So they given a circle and a point. Then what we have to do? The notation we have to know, that is x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus y into f plus y1 equal to 0 plus c equal to 0. This is the notation where we have to find the equation of the tangent, that is s1 equal to 0. s1 equal to 0, s1 notation is x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c. In place of x1 and y1, we have to substitute 7 comma minus 5. First of all, find the g value and the f value. G is minus 3, f is 2, c is minus 12. Substitute the values. So after substituting the values, x1 and y1 with 7 and minus 5. The g is minus 3, f is 2. Then we will get this equation. So this is the second one, same model. S1 equal to 0. S1 notation is this one. We have to find gf values. And in place of x1 and y1, we have to substitute the given point. Here the given point is minus 1 and 1. After solving, we will get this equation. And this is the third one. Same process, s1 equal to 0. Find gf values. Write the s1 notation. In place of x1 and y1, we have to substitute the given point here, minus 6 comma minus 9. Then we will get this line. This is the equation of the tangent. So this is the fourth one. Same process. Now we have to find the normal. They give you a point and a circle equation. They asked us to find normal equation. Normal equation formula is x minus x1 into y plus f is equal to y minus y1 into x plus g. First of all, find gf values. And the given point is 3 comma minus 1. In place of x1 and y1, we have to substitute the given point minus 3 here, here minus 4. And gf values 1 by 2. Here f value is 1 by 2, g also 1 by 2. Substitute and solve. Then we will get, here I multiplied with 2 to cancel 2 in the denominator. So send these terms this side. Then we will get this equation. This is the equation of the normal. Do the remaining problems also. So this is the second one. G equal to minus 5, f equal to 1. Normal equation formula is this. In place of x1 and y1, we have to substitute the given point 3 comma 5. And then we get this equation. The third one is not in the general form. Here 3 is there. So we have divide with it 3 because x square y square coefficient must be 1. So divide with 3. So I will get x square plus y square 19 by 3, 29 by 3, 76 by 3. Now 2g value is minus 19 by 3. G is equal to minus 19 by 6. 2 into 3, 6. Here also 2 into 3, 6. Minus 29 by 3. So this is the formula as usual. Substitute g, f and in place of x1 and y1, substitute 1 comma 3, the given point, and then solve. Here I have multiplied it with 6 to cancel 6 in the denominator. So 6 3s are 18, 6 6 cancel 29x, 6 3s are 18, 29, 6 6 cancel, here also the same. Then we will get this equation, or 18 18 cancel. And this is the fourth one. Same process. Write the formula and substitute g and f values. Here g value and the f value. Here g is 11, minus 11, and f is minus 2. G and f values, and then substitute g and f. Then we will get equation 10y minus 20 equal to 0. Second Roman first one. Find the length of the chord intercepted by the circle. They given a circle and the line. Length of the chord formula is 2 into r square minus t square. We have to find r square value and d square value. So to find r square and d square, first of all write the given circle and the center formula is minus g comma minus f. Here g value is minus 1 by 2. F value is 3 by 2. So minus into minus plus. So 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. C value is minus 22. So radius g square plus f square minus c. Substitute g is f and c equal to minus 22. Then we will get root 98 by 2. And the given line. The given line is x. So send x, y, xn minus 3 this side. Then we will get the equation x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. Distance, perpendicular distance we have to find, because the formula we have to find r and d values. So perpendicular distance minus ax1 plus by1 mod of not minus plus c by root over a square plus b square. This is the formula where a square and b square are coefficient of x and y. X and y coefficients are 1 and minus 1. So substitute the values. So we have to take the point, the center 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. So I got 1 by root 2. Length of the curved formula 2 into r square minus d square. R value is root 98 by 2. D value is 1 by root 2. So take the 4 LCM, 98 minus 2. Here 2 cancel, root 96. So this is the length of the curve. Second one, find the length of the curve. Here also they given a circle. First of all, find the center GF values minus 4 and minus 1. C is equal to minus 8. Substitute g square plus f square minus c. So I got radius 5. The line is x plus y plus 1. So this is the line. And 4 comma 1. Nothing but the center lies in 1. So same, the perpendicular distance we have to find, d value. D value we have to find. So formula ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square, where a square and b square are coefficient of x and y. We have to take the point 4 comma 1. Then we will get 6 root 2. Length of the curve formula 2 into r square minus d square. Substitute r is equal to 5 and the d is equal to 6 by root 2. So then we will get 2 root 7. In the third one, find the length of the curve. Here also the curve, they given a circle and the line. Write the circle and it is in standard form. The center will be 0 comma 0. So C equal to minus a square. See here, x square plus y square minus a square is equal to 0. So C will be minus a square. Substitute g of values. A square, that is a. Given line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. This is the given line. Send p minus p this side. Since x and y are 0. Now what we have to find? We have radius. We have to find d value, perpendicular distance. Formula ax1 plus by1 plus c a square plus b square, where a and b are coefficient of the line. Cos alpha, sin alpha coefficients, but x and y are 0. So we will get minus p. When we send p this side, it will become minus p. And the coefficient cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1. Sin square theta plus sin cos square theta is 1. So that is equal to p. So we have radius value is a and the distance is p. So the length of the curved formula 2 into r square minus d square, that is a square minus p square, is the answer. So find the equation of the circle with center 2 comma 3. They given a center and touching the line. So we have to find the circle equation and the center is 2 comma 3. And the given touching the circle means tangent 3x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. This is the tangent. So P is equal to, so if it is touching, then it is perpendicular. Perpendicular distance formula ax1 plus b1 y1 plus c by a square plus b square, root over a square plus b square. So take this line and substitute 2 comma 3 in place of x comma y. A and b are coefficient of x and y, that is 3 and 4. Substitute them. So we will get P is equal to 1. Now P is nothing but distance d. the distance from center to the line, tangent. Now at 2, 3 touches the circle. Means these two are equal. So the radius is also equal to 1. Now we have radius and the center. So formula is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to 1 square. So that is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 12 equal to 0 is the required circle equation. Fifth one. Find the equation of the circle with center minus 3, 4 and touching y axis. So this is a rough image. So it is touching the y axis. Perpendicular distance from C minus 3, 4. So minus 3, 4. So the circle, let us assume that it is here or here something. So the center is minus 3, 4. So what will be the radius? Minus 3. Minus 3 will be the radius. Right? Minus 3. But the distance should not be negative. So mod minus 3 is 3. So the radius is 3. Since we have the center. So center and radius. The formula where h and k are center. So after substituting we will get the circle equation. Here find the equation of the tangent. They given a circle and the point, but they given only ordinate. Let us take a point. This is called ordinate. This is abacia. X coordinate is also known as abacia. This is ordinate. Ordinate is 1. So a comma 1. This is the circle equation. Let a comma 1 be the point. This point lies in the circle. So substitute a comma 1 in this equation. Then we will get a square minus 8a plus 11 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. We have the formula minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Substitute. B is equal to minus a. And the c is equal to 11. A is equal to 1. So substitute the terms. Then we will get 4 plus or minus root 5. Here we have two roots. One is with plus and another with minus. Let us see both. Here the ordinate is already fixed, that is 1. First of all take with plus 4 plus root 5. So equation of the tangent S1 equal to 0 we already know. So S1 equal to 0 is the equation of the tangent. Write S1 notation. This is the S1 notation. Substitute the values. So G and F values. So after substituting we will get x equal to root 5 plus 4. Now take 4 minus root 5 into 1. Then we will get x equal to 4 minus root 5. This is also the same model, but x coordinate is 1. So here it is fixed 1, but we don't know the y. So let it be 1 comma a. Same problem. So this lies in 1. So we will get a is equal to plus or minus 3. 1 comma 3. Equation of the tangent S1 equal to 0. So write S1 notation and then substitute. Then we will get x plus 3y minus 10 equal to 0. So this is the next one. 1 minus 3. Then we will get another tangent. So these are the two tangents.